Looking for a quick and delicious breakfast that feels homemade but takes only a few minutes to prepare? Today we're making a simple and beautiful lavash breakfast with eggs, cherry tomatoes, and melted cheese in the air fryer. This recipe is perfect for busy mornings because it requires only a few ingredients and cooks in less than 10 minutes. The first step is choosing the right lavash. For this recipe, a round lavash works best because it fits perfectly into the air fryer basket. There are different types of lavash. Some are very thin and crispy, while others are slightly thicker and softer. The first step is choosing the right lavash. For this recipe, a round lavash works best because it fits perfectly into the air fryer basket. Place the round lavash on a flat surface or directly into the air fryer basket lined with parchment paper. The lavash should fit the basket without folding too much. Crack the eggs carefully onto the surface of the lavash. Try to place them evenly so they cook properly. Next, cut the cherry tomatoes in half and spread them around the eggs. Cherry tomatoes add freshness, a little sweetness, and beautiful color to the dish. Finally, sprinkle shredded cheese on top. Cheese melts during cooking and creates a creamy layer that brings all the flavors together. Mozzarella, cheddar, or Gouda work especially well for this recipe. Cook at 185 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 9 minutes. During cooking, the lavash becomes crispy around the edges, the cheese melts perfectly, and the eggs cook gently on top. Once the lavash breakfast is ready, remove it carefully from the air fryer. You can serve it whole or cut it into slices like a flatbread pizza. This dish pairs perfectly with fresh herbs, avocado slices, or a light vegetable salad. You can also experiment by adding spinach, mushrooms, ham, or herbs to create new flavors every time.